here we come. Hey, here we come. Hey, here we come.
Most people train shoulders wrong. Here's how to build cannonball delts that actually pop. Exercise 1. Standing barbell military press. This exercise targets your entire shoulder muscle group while also engaging your triceps and upper chest. You can perform it standing or seated. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width. Press the barbell overhead until your arms are fully extended. Hold for a second at the top, and then lower it slowly back down to shoulder level with control. Keep your form tight, core stable, and perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives for maximum strength and growth. Exercise 2. Dumbbell lateral raise. Want that 3D shoulder look? Lateral raises are your go-to move. This exercise isolates the side deltoids, helping your shoulders appear wider and rounder. Stand tall holding dumbbells at your sides. With a slight bend in your elbows, raise their weights out to the sides until they reach shoulder level. Control the descent as you lower them back down. Keep your back straight and tension on the side delts. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives with a moderate weight for the best pump. Exercise 3. Barbell rear delt row. This move targets your rear delts, upper back, and traps. Hinge slightly forward at your hips while holding a barbell with an overhand grip. Pull the barbell toward your upper abs or chest, squeeze your rear delts at the top, and lower it slowly back down. Maintain control throughout the motion. You can also perform this using dumbbells. Do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 4. Barbell Upright Row. An excellent compound movement that hits your middle delts, traps, and even a bit of your biceps. Using a barbell or EZ bar, grip it shoulder width apart. Pull the bar straight up toward your upper chest, keeping your elbows higher than your wrists. Hold and squeeze your traps and delts for a second at the top, then lower the bar under control. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 5. Dumbbell front raise. This move targets the front part of your shoulders, the anterior delts. Hold light dumbbells in front of your thighs. With a slight bend in your elbows, lift the dumbbells straight up in front of you until they are at shoulder height. Slowly lower them back down. Choose a weight that challenges you but keeps your form clean. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. 6. Machine reverse fly. Perfect for training your rear delts safely and effectively. Adjust the seat and handles on the reverse fly machine to your height. With a slight bend in your elbows, pull the handles backward until you feel your rear delts squeeze. Hold for a second and then return slowly to the start. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 controlled representatives. Exercise 7. Barbell Shrugs. Finish your shoulder day with heavy shrugs to build massive traps. Hold a barbell with an overhand grip and stand upright. Lift your shoulders toward your ears as high as possible, squeeze hard at the top, and lower them slowly. You can also perform this using dumbbells. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 heavy representatives.